Hi, I'm Ellie Gallagher and my specialism is wirework. If you're looking to get started with your jewellery making journey, then wirework is a great place to start. You can make everything from your findings, which are the ear wires and the clasps, all the way through to statement pieces of jewellery using just a few simple techniques. I started jewellery making about 10 years ago and I actually got started on wirework because of Jewellery Maker. I'd seen some of the shows and it just seemed like a really exciting way to get involved with using gemstones and with wire and making something beautiful. Some of the basic tools that you'll need to get started are your pliers. The three main ones that I would suggest are your round nose pliers, your flat nose pliers, and also your cutters. You only need these three to get started with, in my opinion. You can do lots of things with just these three tools. When working with wire, you need to make sure that you have the right gauges of wire for doing the right techniques. We have various gauges here at Jewellery Maker. We start with our wrapping wires, which come in 0.25 and 0.4. 0.4 is my favourite wire to wrap with. It's just nice and easy to use on the hands and you can get really great results when you use it. The other wires that we need to use, we have 0.8, 0.6 and also your 1mm wire. Now your 0.8 and your 0.6 wires are really great for making your clasps and earring hooks, and your 1mm and 0.8 wires are great for making your basis that you will wrap onto to create your pieces of jewellery.